For the seventh day of Hanukkah, taken from Numbers chapter 7, verses 48 to 53. This is the Sam's Bar Mitzvah. Bayom HaShvi'i Nasi Livnei Ephraim Elishama ben Amihud Kabano Karat Kesef Achat Shloshim Umeya Mishkalaha Mizra'ak Echad Kesef Shiv'im Shekel B'Shekel HaKodesh Shneihem Meleim Solet Blula V'Shemen L'Mincha Kaf Achat Asera Zahav Meleah K'toret Pad Echad Ben Bakar Ayil Echad Keves Echad Ben Shnato Leolah Silizim Echad Lechatat V'lezevach Hashlamim Bakar Shnayim Eilim Chamisha Atudim Chamisha Kvasim Bnei Shana Chamisha Zeh Karban Elishama Ben Amihud. Now you try.